Oh, hi everyone, and welcome back. We're basically going to be planting our potatoes today. Got the potato bed finally dug over and de-weeded yesterday. It's a lovely day, and these are our main crop, or sort of mid-main crop spunter they're called. So we've got two lots of those. Lovely nice little chits on them, real healthy looking ones. So that's our main crop. And the swift here, as you can see, these are an early one. Lots of nice shoots again, as you can see. Just been sitting on top of the kitchen cupboards here for a few weeks, and home guard, reliable as ever. Can't go wrong with that. And we've got Casablanca. Look at these nice healthy shoots, and they'll be in the ground today. And while we're here, we might as well have a quick look in the greenhouse. Had a bit of a tidy up here the other day, so that's good. The cow's doing well, as is our giant, was it marrows I think from last year? Let's have a look, see. Yeah, our giant marrows we actually grew, we've redone the seeds. Cucumbers are doing okay. Dahlias are good, still good. Got lots of broccoli and Brussels sprouts and all that sort of stuff growing there. These are courgettes. Summertime and Tristan and Turk's turbines. As you can see, the tomatoes are nearly touching the roof, so they've got to go out. Runner beans are going crazy. Bit too early to plant them out yet. Quite a good root system though, maybe a bit sort of matted, but I won't worry too much about that when they get in the ground. Nothing happening on the old lettuce front over there for some reason or other. We've got two of the giant pumpkins up out of the four we planted. Sweet corn's doing really well. Nice big plants. Our companion plant in the courgettes, they're all up and doing well. As we go further along, now we've got a bit of a disaster here. We've got one celery showing. Oh, hang about. No, there might be a couple more. I don't think that's a celery. I think that could be a weed, that one. But there's a couple of little bits growing there, but we'll leave that one growing just in case. Got some nasturtiums, and we've got some hot chilli, nothing on the chilli section yet. Cucumbers are growing, more cucumbers. Sweet peas are looking really well. Haven't actually put the sweet pea netting up yet, I'm a bit behind doing that, but they will get there eventually. The big old dahlia there, that's really growing really well, that is. They should go in the ground. Yin Yang beans, they're really healthy, should really go in. Got some more courgettes there. They're the orange ones, the other ones were the red ones. Just move this couple out of the way. And also we've got our shallots there, and some onions and leeks growing well. That's alright. The tea plant got a few more leaves on it. Must like it in here. And the old onions are growing well. The flowers have eventually started to go. Just sort of see them growing down there. Got a few more little onions growing. And even further down we've got some sweet pea growing, but they're not as far forward as the rest. A few more dahlia cuttings, that's all doing well. Cut and come again salad, disaster. Some more cucumbers, they're doing okay as well actually. What else we got going on here? Oh, Ireland's made some hanging baskets, so they've got to go out. They're doing very well, they are. And something's been eating our leaves here. I might have a slug in here somewhere. I'll put some pellets down. Heliotrops, more flowers. More flowers there, more flowers there, more flowers there. So she's been real busy, like planting lots of flowers for us, which is good. Well, thanks for watching. See you later.